Hi everyone. Many aspirants asked us to make separate videos on improving vocabulary. So it can be we can improve vocabulary by using various methods, but improving vocabulary by learning root words is a great method. So in this series of videos, we will be picking up a root word followed by 10 words which are connected to that root, and these series of videos definitely help you in remembering vocabulary in a easy manner. See, vocabulary building has a direct correlation with SNAP, with various non-CAT exams, especially in the verbal part. Yes, the reading comprehension part is also very essential, but the verbal part has got a direct correlation with this vocabulary. Unless unless you are strong at vocabulary, you may not do well in your verbal ability section of SNAP, of NMAT, ZAT, and some other non-CAT exams. So let's delve into the first one. The first root word is A or an, which means without. So what's meant by abiotic? A, as we know the meaning of A, which is without. Bio, what's the meaning of bio? Bio means life. So abiotic means without life, absence of life. Anosmia, A or an, as we discussed. A means without, an means also without. So without OSM, smell. So what's meant by anosmia? Loss of the sense of smell. Agonic, as usual, A means without. Gone, what's meant by gone? Angle. The meaning of gone, G-O-N, is angle. So not forming an angle is the meaning of agonic. Acarpus, A means without, carp means fruit. Acarpus means not producing fruits, which means barren, which also means fruitless. And what's the one more meaning of this, one more synonym? Sterile, right? Sterile, which also means fruitless. Achromatic, without chrome. Chrome means color. Achromatic means colorless. Amnesia, A means without, M-N-E, ne means mind. So loss of memory. Amnesia means loss of memory. Asynchronous, chron means time. See, chronological order, right? Chronological order, we have heard about chronological order, which means one after the other according to the timeline. So asynchronous means not happening. So A means without, so without or not happening, not existing at the same time. Amorphous, so morph means forming, formation. So amorphous means without any form, shapeless. Apathy, so without, apathy means of feelings, so without feelings, absence of emotions, absence of feelings. Apnea, Nia, what's meant by Nia? Nia means breathing. So without breathing, a condition in which a person temporarily stops breathing, right? So that condition is known as apnea. So revise these words. So each day or regularly we will be uploading a series of videos, and each video contains a root word followed by 10 words which are derived from that root. So this is going to be a helpful video series for you. If you want to build your vocabulary, you can build it very easily. You can remember this. So thank you very much. All the very best.